Come make dinner with me. Chicken, pasta, garlic. Come make dinner with me, y'all. What y'all making for dinner tonight? What y'all making for dinner? I'm using the other bag. I'm gonna add complete season. Complete season. A little bit more. I'm gonna add some garlic. A little bit black. A little bit lemon pepper. A little bit open. Red peppers. Just a little bit. Not that spicy. And once this get done, I'm gonna put it in the oven and put some cheese. It's gonna be a good dinner tonight, y'all. Y'all come with broccoli, pasta, chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook. We have a chicken pasta for dinner tonight. And happy Friday.